Add some mesquite wood chunk. Yeah. I'm gonna add a little more char logs to it. That's what I got going on right now. Some char logs. Yep. All right. Let's put you back. Let's get you, I don't know, about right there. All right, so what I got right here is, I believe it's like a 3-pound turkey breast. What I end up doing is I removed the spine from the back of it, just so I can help it. Hopefully it's going to sit properly on it, because with the backbone on there, it was not sitting well. So we'll sit like that. We'll let it ride like that. But I'm gonna let the temps go up to, I don't know, 275, 300. I'm good with that. I did season it with the salt lick rub. Love that rub right there. Like I said, I told you, got the mesquite, char logs. So let's let it ride. I'll bring you back in 1 hour. All right. So I'll see you then. Look at that blackjack. What temp are we at? We're at 306. That's cooking great. Right next to the turkey breasts. That's where I have the clip at. So I was reading at 306. Those char logs and that mesquite wood chunk, but looks like the mesquite is done. No more smoke. So yeah. All right, temperature's dropping. I can tell it's at 287. So let's check it out, right? Breast looking pretty good. All right, I mean, I can tell a lot of, yeah, getting hashed over. So let's add some more while we're at it. Let's get one more. All right, let's put you back, close it up, continue on. All right, temps rising at 283 since I last put the char logs on. So let's check it out. It's an hour. Let's check out the breast. Looking good. All right. Yep. Looking good. And then there's our char logs right there. Yeah. So let's ride it out. We're see if it'll go for another hour, because I'm doing high temps right now. So let's continue on. All right, let's take a look. What we're sitting at, 326. That's hot. Where's that reading at? Over 400, close to 425. So that's what we got right there. Char logs, breast, looking good. Yeah, it's coming along. I think we're getting there. Yeah. All right, let's close it up and then get even hotter now. I'm going to baste the breast with some good old butter. All right. Yeah. Get it on there. I'm hungry. All right. We'll let that go for a bit. We're getting there. It has been a good day. Yeah. That B&B Char Logs did fantastic. And we're getting to the finish line there. And I'm thankful because I am hungry. I'm hungry. Well, this breast right here is done. Look at that. Golden color right there. Oh man, it smells so good. If only y'all could smell it. All right, so, and then there's the char logs. They're winding down already. But yeah, just the way the sun is starting to set, but it just hits it. Looks beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna just take it off and then let it rest and then gobble it down. Yeah, love the way it came out. Oh yeah. Let's slice into it. And oh man, you get a good view of that. Hopefully you can. Not dry at all, man. Not dry at all. Hey, still a little hot, but I gotta try it. Um, oh, so flavorful. Oh man, the rub. You can taste the pepper in it. You can taste the butter on the skin. It's moist. And then they have to inject it. Man. Look at that. Just tears apart. Even the dog agrees. I feel you. Oh man. But all right. So just to recap, 3-pound breast right here. Did not inject it. Season it with salt lick rub. And then the temps were 300, over 300. Took close to 2 hours to cook. Basted it with butter at the end. And we got this delicious breast. Oh yeah. Well, all right. Well, this is the bird right here for, Thanksgiving's coming up. So happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you get to enjoy it with your family, your friends. Hopefully you have a great time. And if you're out there cooking, that's awesome. But as always, thanks for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. That is tasty. We'll see you.